welcome back to another video. Good afternoon, or good evening, and has been another bike video because my last one was not good. So this is another bike video. This is my bike, and that's my house there in the background. So yeah, right guys, start back in. So guys, I have the background now, and I can take you guys with me. So guys, if you are on the road and on the A10, if you see a 310 behind you, just like say, right, come across, cut across, and you're done. That's what you do. You just ask, you check the road, look right and left, you look left and then right. Please do that. Otherwise, you might get. And guys, wear a helmet. I know I don't, but I'll make another video in the morning. And I will do a forest video. But I know everyone's not allowed on it. But I have to ask Kerry's parents today. I try not to sing challenge. If you want me to do a 24-hour challenge at 2 nighttime, 9 o'clock to the thing. So so this is the road. So you're really at the front. I'm at the back. So I'm riding along, and you just like carry on riding. Please make sure you have two-handed, otherwise you will crash. So guys, here you go. When you see it turning, turn. If you're coming around a roundabout, you just stop. So pretend it's a roundabout here. I know it's not, but then you stop your bike. You look left and you look right. If there's nothing coming, if you want to turn right, stick your hand out like that. Sorry about that. So guys, if you want to hear another video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, which is Michael/Jake Paul. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you just smash that like button, press that subscription bell, comment when you're done. End your sessions down below, and have fun on this ride. If you hear any like ambulance coming up behind you, don't like carry on riding. What do guys? You pull on the side and let the ambulance. You still go, but slow. The ambulance goes first, paramedic, and then the ambulance. If it's like a fire hazard, make sure you ride fast and find any curb, go up the curb, and the fire engine go past. So if it was a fire engine coming, and I'll stop and let it go. And then you just go back on the road if you want to. It is safe on the road, so don't worry, it is safe. So if you want me to do a gaming channel today, or anything today, just comment down below. Which is, the gaming channel is called Michael Walker Gaming Channel. Gaming, so game in, gaming. That's what it's called, Gaming Channel. So make sure you go to that channel. Please, guys, do not go to my old one. I'm going to change that old one to my brand new one. My brand new one is going to be called Team 10. Make sure you subscribe to that YouTube channel when I have. It's not coming yet until the 2nd of July. So that's not this month, but next month. So when I come back, it's September, I'll be going to college for my first time, for proper this time. So comment down below when you have done. That is for me. And make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and press the subscribe button. And Karis, don't worry, I can get the Wi-Fi because I got my mum's old thing, my mum's old college thing. But she doesn't have an email, she has to pay for the free Wi-Fi. So guys, make sure you smash that like button, press that notification bell, and comment down below what video I should do tomorrow. Should I do in the morning, or the forest, or the main video? You have 3 suggestions. Comment down below. If you want me to do 3 at once, I will. If you want me to do that, leave a comment in the comments. And peace out, Michaels. Peace out. Have a funny day and a relaxing day. If you're at school, make sure you smile. Peace out.